10 proven ways to stop procrastination.
Before your child's PSLE. Part 1.
The 2-minute rule.
If homework takes less than 2 minutes, like correcting a sum, writing down spelling, get it done immediately. It builds momentum and prevents pileups.
Use time blocking.
Fix specific times for math, science, and English revision. Example, 6 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. math corrections. A clear routine reduces resistance.
Try the Pomodoro method. 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break works well for shorter attention spans and helps sustain focus.
Teach prioritization. Simple matrix.
Use a simple chart, do now, homework due tomorrow, versus due later, revision for test next week. Helps children decide what to tackle first.
Break big tasks into micro goals.
Instead of revise fractions, set small steps. Revise 5 fraction questions, check answers, do corrections. It makes revision less overwhelming.
You don't need more time, just smarter strategies this September holiday. Save this post for your child's revision plan.